Well, hello there, and welcome to another Clear Presentation PowerPoint tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can create a Polaroid photo effect for using images in your presentations. So, for the purposes of this tutorial, I'm going to be using a photo that I took on my holidays in one of the best cities in the world, Chicago. This is the Bean in Chicago in Millennium Park. And I'm just going to show you a couple of the ways that people often present photos in presentations. Here is one of the more popular effects, where the edges are softened with the background colour, and I think it really just gets rid of some of the detail that you'd like to have shown in your photo. Another option that people go with for some bizarre reason is to put random 3D effects on their photos. I really can't fathom why you'd want to do this. And another option, of course, is to put a random colour glowing behind your photograph, which I think looks quite ugly. The two options that I would usually go with are either to have the photo just take up the entire slide and be the slide, or alternatively to use a Polaroid photo effect like the one on screen. So what I hope to do today is to show you how this can be done quite simply, and then show you what you could use this type of effect for. So let's go back to our original image. Now, what you want to do is double click on it first, and then up here at the top, you want to put a picture border on it. So let's choose white, and we go to picture border again to choose the weight that we want it to be. And it's worthwhile putting a nice big thick white border on it. So go for 6 point. So at the moment that border is invisible. So what we want to do is put a slight shadow behind it. So go to Picture Effects, Shadow, and of course you can choose from any of these here. You could have the shadow offset to the bottom right, the top right, but I think that the best option is just to have it in the middle. So there we go, we have it done already. So that's the Polaroid effect. I also think sometimes it's nice to put a little bit of a slant on it to look as though you've just kind of slapped down this Polaroid photo on the screen. I think that gives it quite a nice effect. So times when I'd use this are for things like introduction slides. So for instance, here's my little photo of the Bean, and I'll also couple that with two other photos that I took in my time in Chicago. And now it looks like a kind of a small photo album. Put a little header on top of that, and this could be the opening slide to a presentation on your great holiday in Chicago. So that's all for today, folks. I suggest you head over to clearprezo.com to find out more about the services we provide, and check out our blog at clearlypresentable.wordpress.com. Thanks for watching.